If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Slip the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, did quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so far to the face, I hear the voice and you don't know say a KOGENCY. But the KOGENCY rocks channel. And today, we have the 98s, Hitman and DA back to back. Now, do y'all know about the 98s and Hitman and DA? If you don't know, go and check them out, bro. Them been doing them thing from like what? 2019, you know what I'm saying? And they've been, well, this year they haven't been that consistent, I have to say. You know what I'm saying? Even though KO just dropped that song with DA, you understand? But they haven't really been that consistent this year. So I'm really looking forward to this, man. Bro, I just listened to a song and all the censorship in the song, they kind of upset me. So my brain is still kind of trying to get over that. But anyway, man, here for 98's Hitman and DA, back to back, up on mixtape madness. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all comments, and let's go. Back to back. Aye.
Is this how you're moving, Jackson?
Jackson, that's how you're moving. Back to back. Hitman and DA. Aye. Wasn't DA locked up as well? So is he fresh home? Or has he been home? Oh. That 808 sound heavy.
Look.
Oh.
Look, 2 secs, let me check what he reps. If he answers wrong, only God can save him. Aim it loud when I pray 2 hands with grace, the result is amazing. All of this hell we're raised.
This grace is amazing. Amazing grace. Alright, yeah, bro. You can't start the bars off like this, bro. Give me at least warm up first, Lord Jesus. God.
Look, 2 secs, let me check what he reps. If he answers wrong, only God can save him. Aim it loud when I pray 2 hands with grace, the result is amazing. All of this hell we're raising. I hear the neighbours complaining. We still keep bandos flaming, and we got back roads raining.
Caught him in booked and shaved it. Don't slip in a box, I'll pull up and blaze it. Tape off gang, known for the tapings. Need 100 lays for the boots. Then shoot, grip it and move. You want the truth, I'll give you the truth. You ain't done shit since we got done. But you're out here lying on tunes.
This trip better be worth it. I know not everyone's perfect, so it don't matter how much they rehearse it. Catch corn trying to reverse it. Observation lurking and it gets more concerning. Operations working and they get more disturbing. But we keep it going. If we're going, cram this boat, we're doing up rowing. Say DA should rap poems the way man's flowing. Laying down with the angels, not like the ones when outside snowing. He ain't got no heart and it's showing. Boy, better do some growing.
Yo, stop.
No, bro. Even the way I put the words together to rhyme, fam, it was like different rhyme schemes in the same like bar, like same 16 bars, fam. What the fuck? I can't even explain, bro. Just know that he was going off. You're going to hear it again. Listen.
We got them. But you're out here lying on tunes.
This
Listen.
shit better be worth it. I know.
See, even he said listen before he started, bro. Okay, wants you to listen.
We ain't done shit since we got them. But you're out here lying on tunes.
This trip better be worth it.
Worth
I know
it.
not everyone's perfect.
Aye.
So it don't matter how much
Not
they
to
rehearse it.
rehearse it.
Catch corn trying to reverse it.
Aye.
Observation lurking and it
Aye.
gets more concerning.
Aye.
Operations working
Okay.
and they get more disturbing.
Like what? Listen to this.
Lurking and they get.
No, this part.
So it don't matter how much they rehearse it. Catch corn trying to reverse
Listen.
it. Observation lurking and it gets more concerning.
Aye. Operations working
and they get more
disturbing.
disturbing.
Aye.
But we keep it going. If we're going, cram this boat, we're doing up
Rowing.
Say DA.
Climb this boat, we're doing up rowing. What?
But we keep it going. If we're
Going.
going, cram this boat, we're doing
Keep
up
it
rowing.
rowing.
Say DA should rap poems
Rowing.
the way man's flowing.
Bro, you are writing poems, bro. This is poetic, fam.
We're going, cram this boat, we're doing up
Rowing.
Say DA should rap poems the way man's flowing.
Flowing. Aye.
Lay him down with the angels, not like the ones when outside.
Wait. Is it Is it a part of the boat and the rowing flow?
But we keep it going. If we're going, cram this boat, we're doing up rowing. Say
Rowing.
DA should rap poems the way man's flowing. Lay him down.
Or maybe I'm reading into it too much. Cause you know the boat flows on the water. Maybe. And he's flowing on the beach. Maybe I'm reading too much into it. But because DA is such a lyrical, miracle, spiritual, like bro, I gotta think like that, bro. Cause you never know. The man could mean 100 million things with one bar, bro. I swear to you. The lyrical, miracle, spiritual is going off right now, bro.
We're doing up rowing. Say DA should rap poems the way man's flowing.
Aye.
Lay him down with the angels, not like the ones when
That's
outside snowing.
snowing.
He ain't got no heart and it's showing. Boy, better do some growing.
Yo, act up with the chat, don't act bad, you ain't done shit. Funny little gas bad, talk is dope, but we giving them rap facts. It was me that tried to lift out your snapback. It was me that done shot like your hatchback. 2 in the dots, grip it and slap that. Like I done it before, then I done it again. I don't know nothing about rap cap. I don't know nothing about words they mash. I don't understand their words on tracks. I don't even know why they rap. But if it gets me mad,
because they're speaking a different language, bro. I don't understand their words on tracks, bro. No hablo inglés.
about words they mash. I don't understand their words on tracks. I don't even know why they rap.
I don't
if
even
it gets
know.
me mad, then I feel like my mash. Can't swing my knife like swinging like splash. Turn man cabbage, badge get dropped if I tag him.
Yo, the Jakes might give me a shot, but we're gone in a flash. Bay might give me a box with the way that the stove's just on and I run up the gas.
Hey, wait, what? Go again.
Splash, turn man cabbage, badge get dropped if I tag him.
Yo, the Jakes might give me a shot, but we're gone in a flash.
Hey.
Bay might give me a box with the way that the stove's just on and I run up the gas. If I ain't live in the ain't
Oh, cause he's cooking. Oh shit, nigga. Alright, fam.
Badge get dropped if I tag him.
Yo, the Jakes might give me a shot, but we're gone in a flash. Bay might give me a box with the way that the stove's just on and I run up the gas. If I ain't live and there ain't more time, 5 man in these Hummer and flats. No loose ends on the step, do all the prep and cover them tracks.
If it gets on tops, can't dash with a mash. We can't lose them, they gotta get slapped. I roll dirty, don't lose so like if I pull on my waist, I bet I'll get stabbed. In Jar never had no knife, so I got a razor doing up faces. Give me the drop, reckon I'll tape it. Give me a block, I'll show you by aiming.
For tomorrow it's
Oh
a
yeah. Hitman was flowing right there, bro. Listen.
If it gets on tops, can't dash with a mash. We can't lose them, they gotta get slapped. I roll dirty, don't lose so like if I pull on my waist, I bet I'll get stabbed. In Jar never had no knife, so I got a razor doing up faces. Give me the drop, reckon I'll tape it. Give me a block, I'll show you by aiming.
for tomorrow it's a today thing.
Going down on the maze was blatant.
For waiting, pull up and blazing.
Feel it a ring on the up block shaking. I got my stick on me when I'm raving.
I got your bitch on me and I'm fading.
Screaming out Tally, sipping on Maggie.
And they got gang on the speakers playing.
Drop flake in a pirate's boat. Now I'm watching it lock. You just called for a half a box. Is he dodgy or what?
Dodgy or not, I'm still gonna take it. Conny your cash, washed or flake it. Shot your Glock, load and aim it. I'm sliding the skating.
I'm sliding the skate. No, after you hear that last part, bro. No. You're naughty.
They'll get stabbed. In Jar never had no knife, so I got a razor doing up faces. Give me the drop, reckon I'll tape it. Give me a block, I'll show you by aiming.
For tomorrow it's a today thing.
Dating.
Down on the maze was blatant.
For waiting, pull up and blazing.
Feel it a ring on the up block shaking. I got my stick on me when I'm raving.
I got your bitch on me and I'm fading.
Screaming out Tally, sipping on Maggie.
And they got gang on the speakers playing.
Drop flake in a pirate's boat. Now I'm watching it lock. You just called for a half a box.
Is he dodgy or what?
Dodgy or not, I'm still gonna take.
Is he dodgy or what? I would just listen to the dodgy CJ. Alright.
You just called for a half a box.
We just dodgy or what?
Dodgy or not, I'm still gonna take it. Conny your cash, washed or flake it. Shot your Glock, load and aim it. I'm sliding the skating.
Aye. And you know I'm making. Aye. And you know I'm Jamaican. Aye. Or this bread that I'm making. Aye. You know I can't be faking. Gang. Big up Jaden, man. Big up Hitman. Big up DA. Yes, bro. This is what I want to hear, fam. Fucking hell, man. This is what I need. Bars, bro. The only thing is if it did have a hook. That's the only thing would I make it go. You know what I'm saying? Way to the moon. But right now it there in a space. You understand? Say God clear like man clear, bro. You see me? But yo, big up everybody involved on the right hand side. Big up Hitman and DA. Big up the whole of the 98s and big up Mixtape Man. It's big up you if you made it to the end of this reaction. Jump in the comments, man. Hit a comment back to back if you made it here to this point of the video. Basically 9 minutes, 8:40 something. Yeah? Comment back to back. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Hit that like or dislike button. And yeah, man, I reply to all the comments. KOGENCY and KOGENCY react. And I about this motherfucker, right? Peace.
Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.